Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is HALIM SETYONOTO. I'm from TE1A. Today I will show you how to use the internet in Android. This is an Android. Okay, then let's check it. Okay guys, first you must have a SIM card in your phone. In my phone I have Indosat Irido for my SIM card, and make sure you have an internet quota in your SIM card. If you don't have, you can buy it first. Then if you want to connect the internet, you can open or click this icon, satellite or setting, and then if you want to connect with your quota, you can click this kartu SIM and jaringan seluler, and then you must click this data cellular for turn on like this. With this, you already connect the internet, and maybe if you have Wi-Fi in your home, you can connect it and click this. You already connect your Wi-Fi, and then done. You can browsing anything. You can open your browser or your Chrome, and then you can search anything that you want. Example, you can search your Oppa Korea. This is Oppa Korea. And then if you need to download application, you can open this Play Store, and then you can search. Maybe you want to download Facebook, you can set that, and then click install. You must wait for the moment to complete this download. And then if you need to search any video, you can open YouTube. Maybe you want to search Proclamation Indonesia, and then this is many video. You can choose one like this.
Batavia has been the center of.
And then if you want to turn off your internet, you just scroll down this screen, and then you must to click two of this icon, data cellular and Wi-Fi. Well guys, that's all how to use the internet in Android. I hope my video will be useful for you all. I'm sorry if there is a mistake in my video. I'm sorry if my English language is very badly. And Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.